Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. I made beef stroganoff as one of my earliest recipes and you loved it. And today I'm gonna show you how to make the same exact dish, only with chicken this time, so stay tuned, you are gonna love it. To a cast iron pan, I'm gonna add some butter, about 40 grams of butter, and a little bit of olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna let it get real hot and then I'm gonna add some sliced chicken. I'm gonna season well with salt and black pepper. Cook on very high heat, just sear on both sides. And just do it in batches, don't throw them in the pan all at once. This is how you can keep them moist and tender. And you can even do this. Add salt and pepper, coat them in cornstarch, and then saute on high heat. That will ensure all the juices will stay inside the chicken breast and you'll get a very tender chicken. Finish the whole amount of chicken, remove from the heat, and then you're gonna add a touch more butter and 16 ounces of baby bella mushrooms. I sliced them pretty thick slices. Cook for a minute or two or until they start to caramelize and look good. Next, you're gonna add half a cup of red onion, finely chopped, and 3-4 cloves of garlic, finely chopped as well. You can season the mushroom right now with a little bit of salt and black pepper. To intensify the flavor, I'm gonna add 1.5 ounces of a good chicken paste. You can use better than bouillon or simply chicken stock. I can use it instead of the water later. I add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Mix it in, let it cook a little bit. Now I add 3 cups of hot boiling water. If you prep your ingredients ahead of time, slice the mushroom, the chicken, garlic and onion, this dish will go so fast. I'm gonna add some fresh thyme on top of the dish, let it boil for 5 minutes. You can also season with dried oregano or thyme. You are gonna add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Mix them in. 2 tablespoons of sour cream goes in as well, and I'm gonna add half a cup of heavy whipping cream. Put back the chicken and the dish is ready. I'm gonna add half a tablespoon of dry tarragon. It tastes so good in this dish. Adjust the salt and black pepper. Garnish with some parsley. I'm gonna serve this dish mixed in with some egg noodles or any white pasta that you like. This is a nice dish for this time of the year, warm and cozy with lots of egg noodles, mushroom and soft chicken. Give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments box below. And until next time, bon appétit!